Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Jada Tyshene back with another video, and today I'm going to show y'all how to get these bedazzled eyes. This is like one of my favorite looks so far, and it's cute, it's subtle but glam, you know. So this is one of my favorite looks, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it as well. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Wait, I was gonna say let's get straight into this video, but no. First, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I post another video as well. And I'm gonna give y'all a little time to subscribe. Did y'all do it? Great. So now that you guys subscribed, we get straight into the video. Straight into it. I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. LA Girl Pro. Why did I say e.l.f.? I'm trying to mix the two. I meant to say I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm going in with the color Fun. And y'all know, like, usually for my other makeup looks I go in with my e.l.f. concealers, but today this is gonna be a quick little makeup beat. Like, I'm not really finna do all the extra. Like, it's gonna be quick and simple. The main thing we're gonna focus on today is my eyeshadow, and well, just my whole eye look. Hey, dang, this looks super dark. That's why, because I didn't have my light on there. So here we go, y'all. I'm gonna still keep that in there because I done already started, but now y'all got some good light. All right, I finally, y'all, can y'all see? I finally got my lash extensions off. I had them on for like a good month. Don't be like me, be better than me. Don't do what I do. Like, I had it on for a full month. Jada was like, why did you do that? Like, I be wanting my lashes done. But then, like, I don't do right with them. But them lashes, they last a while. Like, my lashes were thick for a good little minute before they, like, finally just fell out. And, like, even after, if y'all look at my last video, y'all can tell, like, I still had a good amount on. I love LA Girl concealers. The only thing is, I wish they were thicker. Am I the only one who thinks that? Like, they're so, to me, they're kind of sheer, like, compared to the, you know, compared to the e.l.f. ones and the Tarte, the e.l.f. and the Tarte, and like all the other makeup brands. It's like, they're not as thick as I would like them to be. Wow, look at that. That's such a difference. This is something I'm starting to do too. I'm starting to add my lighter concealers to not just my inner corner, but also like everywhere else. I'm not adding much to the other parts, but like add a good bit under there. Like, back to what I was doing, y'all. I ain't had no storage. Hopefully there's enough storage now. I deleted a couple things. Let's pray, because I ain't really trying to delete my other stuff. I just need to buy multiple SIM cards, multiple SIMs cards. Let me wait it back up, because I feel like it just got so dry. I was gonna add my foundation. I think that's still too much. I'm like in this time where like I really don't want that much foundation on. Hold on. I don't like wearing that much foundation at all. Like, I do one pump, cover the eyes. That's it. Like, my hair needs to stay out. This is my other way of doing makeup. It's like my way quicker foundation routine. Now I'm going to be going in, y'all know, with my bronzer. Then I'm gonna pop my blush on top. I need to find an actual good cream blush. Like, I'm just now starting to get in a cream blush, and like it's a game changer for my makeup. Like I love it. Like I love a good blush, but now like adding cream to it, like it just makes it so cute. I love it. It like, you know, blush to me, like it just give you, it just make you like a doll. Like I can get it out. Like blush just make you look like such a doll, such a Barbie, and I love that, cause y'all know I am a doll. But yeah, I'm a doll myself. I'm like, might as well look like it with my blush. Like might as well get the full effect. And then I'm gonna just pop a little bit more. Just a little bit. Back in the inner corner. And then get my beauty blender. Now what I'm gonna do is go in with this medium sand. No, I don't think I used medium sand. I think it was like, no, yeah. I'm not going in with medium sand. I'm going in with Fair Warm, and I'm putting this on my eyelids, and I'm only putting like one little baby dot, and then another baby dot. I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer to like the end of my eyes, so it won't be so dark. Even though we put some dark eyeshadow on there. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out first. And I'm gonna keep it right there. And then what I just do, I just use my finger, child. I'll just go in with my finger. And it don't have to be perfect. Just make sure like you blend it out. And also like keep it in the crease. Don't go above. Don't go above it. Then blend it with the darker concealer. Okay, now that everything is blended, I'm gonna be going in with my the new classics. I'm gonna be going in with this, and I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe That's Rich palette. And for the inner corner, let me get a fluffy brush first. I'm only using 2 brushes for this too, because it's so simple. For the darker eyeshadow that's gonna be at the end, don't talk about my brush either. Don't talk about my brush. But this is an old BH Cosmetics brush. I remember that. But I'm using this on the outer corner, and then I'm using this kind of fluffy, flat looking brush. I'm using that on the inner corner. So first I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna be using the color. Let me go in closer. My camera hot. Let me hurry up. Okay, I think is this good enough? I think it's good enough. First I'm gonna be going in with the color. I'm gonna be going in with cream. Both of these. I think I end up going with both of these. First I'm gonna go in with cream though. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna go in with some crystals, some little crystals that I got. And I'm only gonna put 5 on each eye. And all I'm gonna be using is some lash glue. And let me get my tweezers. If I can wear this look every day, I would, because it matches my personality. It's like a subtle makeup look, and then you just got a hint of glam on the eye. Like, that's me. And I'll just go ahead and I'll just randomly. Should I go closer? Oh my god! I'll just randomly put dots. 4, 5. My camera's so aggro. 1. I meant to put my eyeliner on first, but I forgot. 2. I'll get this on. 4. Okay, y'all, so I just did the wrist off camera because my camera always about to die, but okay. So yeah, this is how the bottom look. I'm gonna go back off camera to finish the bottom, and then I'm gonna do the lip. Well, I can just do this right quick. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Let me know how you guys feel about this look. This is my favorite look so far. Like, I would literally wear this all day. Like, I mean, all day, every day. It's so cute. It's like, it's simple, like an everyday natural glam with a little bit of extra glam on the eyelids, and that just fit me. Like, it fit me so good. Like, I would literally wear this every day. It's so cute to me. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's giving. But anyway, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one.